Hey, friends, thanks for tuning into our Master the Market segment. So, last week, got that big, hefty 50 basis point Fed rate cut, and mortgage rates kind of bottomed. Isn't that weird how it happened, right? The headlines are telling us different. Folks are telling us, hey, the Fed's going to cut rates, mortgage rates are going to come down. And what does it mean for you? Well, a couple things that we need to share. Number one, the bond market's forward looking, and the Fed rate cut was expected, maybe 50 basis points, not as much, but the markets are looking forward. And a couple things we learned last week is not only did we get a 50 basis point cut, but their dot plot suggests we're going to get two more cuts. So now the market is pretty much knows where rates are going to be by year end, unless, of course, we get different data. And that brings us to this week. On Friday, we have the Fed's favorite gauge of inflation. It's actually supposed to go up to 2.7% annually from 2.6. So that's going to be very interesting. Then we have GDP, and of course we have Fed speakers. And what will be interesting with the Fed speak is at last week's meeting, we had a dissenter, someone who did not agree on the 50 basis point cut, Fed Governor Michelle Bowman. And so there'll be folks kind of saying different things. And what I can leave you with is on the way up, it was very volatile, right? Where rates were going higher on the news items. Will the Fed be hiking? Will they be, will they pause? It's going to be the same thing on the way down. If good news comes out, that means, hey, does the Fed pause at a meeting? If things get worse, do they do another 50? So there'll be a lot to track. Listen, I hope you have a great week. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.
Too many people face barriers on their financial journey. We all dream of owning a home, but outdated systems and unfair practices often hurt you. We end discrimination so you can achieve financial security. Angel AI, the home of fair lending.
For more on these and all of today's top stories, go to nationalmortgageprofessional.com.